Mabuhay! My name is Krista and welcome back to Pinayskitchen! Oh my god! Welcome back! Thank you to everyone that's subscribed in my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe below. Thank you! So today we are making a pasta dish. Not just one, but three! First dish will be a Moroccan Bolognese. Our second dish will be our Sardines Pasta. Yes, Sardines Pasta. Our third dish will be bagoong pasta! Yes, you heard it right. Bagoong pasta, ladies and gentlemen. And I will show you everything, how to make it, like the process, and all the ingredients, all the measurements of the ingredients are in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. The Moroccan Bolognese is inspired by my husband, which is originally from Morocco. And when my mother-in-law visited us here in Nashville, she actually brought us spices from Morocco. For my sardines pasta, I'm using the sardines in oil, the ones in the can. You know the small cans? I'm using 2 of those. So whatever sardines you have, I guess you can use. It's up to you, whatever is easier for you and whatever you can access. For my bagoong pasta, which is the shrimp paste pasta, I'm using sauteed shrimp paste. There are different brands as well, but this is a particular brand that I like. Well, I'm excited to cook and my husband is excited to taste. So let's start cooking.
First is we're gonna boil our water for our pasta. You will find the list and measurements of all the spices here in the description box below. This is for our Moroccan Bolognese. Once your water is boiling, you can add your pasta and cook it for 11 minutes or until al dente. While your pasta is cooking, you can start cooking your Moroccan Bolognese. I want to add my ground beef first and then the spices that I made earlier, and then season it with salt. And once your beef are brown, you can start adding your onions, your garlic, your ginger, and the rest of the vegetables and cook them until tender. Also, make sure to stir your pasta once in a while just to prevent them from sticking together. Back to the bolognese, when all your vegetables are tender, you can add in your tomatoes. And after that, you can add your dates and then your garbanzo. Stir them all together and then you can add your chicken stock. Then you can simmer this for 10 minutes or until everything is reduced to half. Once your pasta is ready, you can drain them on a colander or a strainer and set it aside. When your sauce is ready, you can add in your pasta. Toss your pasta in the sauce until everything is incorporated. And that's it, your first pasta is done! When your oil is hot, you can add in your onions, your garlic, and the rest of the ingredients. You can add your lemon zest, then save the juice later for garnishing. Make sure to taste the mixture first before seasoning it with salt, and then you can add the rest of the oil from the sardines. Add your pasta and toss everything together until fully incorporated. And that's your sardines pasta. For bagoong pasta, it's the same process as the sardines pasta, but make sure to not burn the ingredients because this is a really quick process. Just always leave your stove to medium heat so you can control the cooking process since this dish doesn't have any liquid in it. In about 2 minutes of stirring, you can add in your pasta, and that should be it. Your pasta is ready. Enjoy!
Welcome back. So we just finished cooking and we have the 3 pastas here. Let me just do like the last garnishing. I have parsley here that I already cut. That's for the Moroccan Bolognese. And then maybe just a little bit of lemon juice to finish off this. Did you put some tomato in there? If we have green mango here, it will be good with the green mango because it has that strong, you know, shrimp paste flavor. And green mango will be very good with it. Oh my gosh, it's so good! Did you like it?
No, it's good.
I'm not gonna be
So,
I don't
first
want,
one?
I'm not being biased, but
This is definitely
you
my
love the
number
brine.
1. Yeah, my number 2, my number 3.
No way, this is your number 2?
I like it.
Seriously? Oh,
With
whoa!
cream, it tastes good.
This is
This
your
one's
number
definitely
2?
light.
It's very light, right?
Yep.
But the lemon actually like brings the pop. Really?
Very fresh.
And that concludes our show, everyone. Thank you again for watching, and thank you to my husband that tastes everything I make. So, oh gosh, okay, he grabbed that already, but thank you again for watching. I hope you guys like this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe below. Again, this is Krista of Pinayskitchen, bringing flavors of the Pacific to your table. Thank you, bye!